Hello everyone, welcome to the Security channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a problem that deals with an expression evaluation. Here we have power of 16 of radical 5 plus 1 over 2 minus power of 16 of radical 5 minus 1 over 2 equals to 987 times radical 5. We are going to find the new expression that you see here. Basically, in the new expression, we have this 3 plus radical 5 over 2 and 3 minus radical 5 over 2. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem now. To solve this problem, I'm going to start with using x for radical 5 plus 1 over 2. If we have defined x as what you see here, then x squared is going to be 1 over 4 times 5 plus 1 plus 2 times radical 5. If we simplify, we are going to end up with 3 plus radical 5 over 2. Now let's take a look at what we had before. Remember, we had this 3 plus radical 5 over 2, which basically means that the path that we are following makes sense now. Now let's see how we are going to find this 3 minus radical 5 over 2, because in the original problem we had both 3 plus radical 5 and 3 minus radical 5. To do that, I'm going to take the inverse of x. 1 over x is going to be 2 over radical 5 plus 1. And then I'm going to multiply both top and bottom of this fraction by radical 5 minus 1. The bottom is going to be 5 minus 1 and the top is going to be 2 times radical 5 minus 1. And then after some simplification, we are going to end up with radical 5 minus 1 over 2. So basically, if x is defined as radical 5 plus 1 over 2, 1 over x is going to be radical 5 minus 1 over 2. Now, if we take power of 2 of 1 over x, then we are going to end up with 3 minus radical 5 over 2, which is basically something that we wanted to have. Now let's focus on what we wanted to evaluate. First of all, we had this 1 plus radical 5 over 2 and then radical 5 minus 1 over 2. We had this power of 16 of these values. So remember, we defined x as radical 5 plus 1 over 2. So I have this x to the power of 16 minus 1 over x to the power of 16 is given. The thing that I'm interested in is x to the power of 32 plus 1 over x to the power of 32. I think you can simply verify what we have here is correct. Now from here, things are going to be a little simple. We're going to use what we have for x to the power of 16 minus 1 over x to the power of 16 to find what we need to find for x to the power of 32 and its inverse. Let's do that now. It's quite simple. We are going to write x to the power of 32 plus 1 over x to the power of 32 as power of 2 of x to the power of 16 minus 1 over x to the power of 16. And then we need to add 2 to this expression. At the end, evaluating this final expression is just replacing what we had for x to the power of 16 minus 1 over x to the power of 16 and then taking power of 2 of that and adding 2 to the final outcome. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math-involved activities, and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please subscribe to this channel. This is the Security channel. Hope to see you in the next video.